The earthquake struck before 8 a.m. in northern Osaka and measured 6.1 in magnitude. On Japan's seismic intensity scale of 0 to 7, it's categorized as a 6-.
As you all know that Osaka, Japan got hit with a 6.1 magnitude earthquake. It was pretty scary. What's more scarier was we have an alert when there's earthquake here in Japan, but that time the alert went off during the earthquake, not before, where it should be before. So everyone pretty much panicked, and so did I and my wife. She was up already in the morning and they woke me up in the morning. It was crazy and scary at the same time. But yes, thank God we are safe and sound, because what they're saying is there will be a stronger earthquake, which is going to be the aftershock. So imagine 6.1 earthquake magnitude, and aftershock is going to be much bigger. That is very, very scary if you ask me. That's like one of the strongest earthquake that I have experienced in my whole life. I mean, we have earthquakes back in Guam, but it wasn't like this scary. So I guess I should suggest that prepare yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. Look all over YouTube. YouTube has so many instructions of what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. So this is just going to be a short video letting you guys know. We don't know when the aftershock is going to happen, but they're saying it's less than a week or within a week. So that's another scary part, because it's been 3-4 days already. 3-4 days expecting an earthquake. Really, really scary stuff. So I guess I will keep you guys tuned, updated of what's going to happen with this, or if it's going to happen, or will it happen for this couple of days. As for me, well, my wife pretty much prepared our batteries, chargers, our passport copies, ID copies, everything. She's the one doing it. So when it does happen, we can just grab it and go. So all in all, I just want to say is please do be careful, really, really careful about, Mother Nature. Careful, Mother Nature, don't piss her off, because you never know when shit's gonna happen. So I'll see you guys next time.